Now that life is returning to a new normal and schedules are booking up, don't forget to set aside time to spend with your family. There's no better place than around the table enjoying a healthy meal with your loved ones. Some known benefits: kids tend to have higher self-esteem, better grades, and eat more healthy foods. Need some recipe inspiration? Try this kid-approved crispy chicken tender recipe. In honor of Family Meals Month, Eggland's Best has teamed up with Raddish, the leading kids culinary subscription service, to get families excited about cooking together. You can download the free digital version of a Raddish kit titled Excellent Experiments for crispy chicken tenders and other delicious recipes. The key ingredient? Eggland's Best Eggs. Contains 6 times more vitamin D compared to ordinary eggs. Vitamin D helps support a healthy immune system by fighting off harmful bacteria and viruses. EB eggs also contain 10 times more vitamin B12, which can help keep the whole family feeling energized throughout the day. As part of the EB Share a Better Family Meal program, Eggland's Best is providing you access to easy, nutritious recipes, live cooking demonstrations, free family activities, and a chance to win grocery gift cards, a subscription to Raddish Kids, and the grand prize of $5,000. Visit ebfamilysweeps.com now through October 8th to enter to learn more. Some delicious ways to share family meals. For more information, visit egglandsbest.com.